everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you few velvet kurti designs. These can be made from this type of velvet embroidered fabric, and this fabric comes in plain as well as embroidered one. So please continue watching the video till the end so that you can get the idea about how you can style your plain or embroidered velvet fabric into a designer piece.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.